Hi guys, welcome back. Guys, this reading is going to be for my Leos. This is going to be for the month of September. We'll see what's in store for you in your love life. We will see your energy, your person's energy, and what are they feeling for you now. Okay, Leos? So, guys, keep in mind that this could resonate to a cross watcher too. Like, if you're drawn to this video, then this could be your reading. Alright? So, this is for all Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter signs. Please take whatever resonates and leave the rest because it's a general reading. For personal readings, you can always get in touch with me. All the details are mentioned below in the description box. Okay. So, Leos, let's see what do we have in store for you. So, Leos, let's see what do we have in store for you. Leos, Queen of Wands. This is your energy. See, I just spoke about you. This is Aries, Leo, Saggy. So some of you could be dealing with an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. This is your energy. I feel that you are in a place where you are regaining your power. It is like you don't want to compromise. Queen of Wands is somebody who doesn't want to compromise. This could be a King of Wands too. This could be a male figure. This could be a female figure. Gender really doesn't matter. But this is somebody who doesn't want to compromise. Okay, this woman or this man, they want things their way. This is somebody who wants things to work out the way they want. This is somebody who is tired of investing in some connection. Okay, this is somebody who is tired, who has almost, this is somebody who has love for somebody but doesn't know where is it heading to. So I see you in this place, Leos. Okay, you are in this place where you don't know what to do, you are confused. Three of Swords is definitely you have had a breakup, or this is separation. This is Three of Swords tells me that I think you have gone through a lot in the recent past, or some of you could be going through this now. You're healing. Somebody has hurt you, Leos. Okay, Three of Swords reverse. You're healing from something. So let's see, what are you healing? Okay, some of you could be recovering. Maybe you're having some health issues. Okay, that could also be the thing. Queen of Wands and Three of Swords. Maybe you're recovering, Leos. Okay. Someone has broken your heart, Leos. Let's see, why is this here? See, Queen of Cups, you have love for somebody. Okay, immense love. This could be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. This could be a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. You could be dealing with these sun signs. The Sun. See, I spoke about you and you appear again. This is your energy, Leo. The Sun and King of Cups in reverse. Four of Pentacles in reverse. This means you could be dealing with Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Leos, you know what I feel? I feel that there is some things that you're waiting for. With the Sun in reverse, you're waiting for a clarity in a situation. We have the Four of Pentacles in reverse. There is somebody who, you have love for somebody, you want to invest on this person, but I see you not very sure. Like, at times you feel like giving up, at times you feel like working on this connection. With the Four of Pentacles, I feel that maybe you have decided to work on this connection. Okay, it's like you have had a difficult phase of lately with the Three of Swords. Maybe this has turned you cold, or this has turned you in a person where you may have lost faith in a connection, Leos. Like, you have love for somebody, there's no doubt. See, we have the Queen of Cups here. I think you were emotionally invested on somebody. You just not were, you still are, but I don't see things moving forward. Okay, maybe you are dealing with somebody who has love for you, but this is somebody who was not willing to open up. Okay, this is, I do see that there are things that are still hidden in this connection with the sun in reverse, and you don't know where is this heading to. Okay, Leos, this is your energy. There is love for sure. Like, I see that you are madly in love with somebody, but you just don't trust where is this heading to. Okay, some of you have decided to work on this connection. We have the King of Cups in reverse, we have the Four of Pentacles in reverse, the Sun in reverse. I feel that you want to work on this connection. Like, I see you putting efforts in this connection, but you have kind of lost hope. Okay, some of you feel that you're dealing with somebody who doesn't talk. Okay, Four of Pentacles in reverse means somebody who is not willing to talk. They are acting cold and distant. With the King of Cups, maybe you're dealing with somebody who has love for you, but then this person just doesn't talk, or they are not opening up to how they really feel for you. Okay, like they are not very clear about how they feel for you, Leos. That's something I see here. Now we'll see what is your person thinking about you. Okay, we'll see their energies now. Your person is coming across as Princess of Swords in reverse. This means this is somebody who is with the Princess of Swords. I feel this is somebody who wants clarity. See, I feel that you both are seeking clarity in this connection. So let me see. This is somebody who may be, this is a woman or this is a man who likes to do exactly what you do to them. Okay, this is somebody who is playing this game of hide and seek. It's like this is somebody who is exactly doing what you are doing to them. Okay, it is this is like a game for this person. This is somebody who has love for you, but this is somebody who is angry also. Like, I see them angry, I see them not very sure, and this is mutual. This is not just you, Leo, this is your person too. Okay, with the Princess of Swords, this is somebody let's see why are they in this Princess of Swords energy. We'll clarify their energy, Leos. Eight of Swords and Ace of Cups. Okay, this is somebody who wants you, Leos. This is somebody who wants you, but then to be with you, this person has to break free from some things. This person is stuck somewhere, which is why they are taking time to come towards you, Leos. Okay, with the Queen of Swords in reverse, Ten of Cups in reverse, and Two of Wands in reverse. See, this is somebody, we have got the Queen of Swords here, Princess of Swords. See, this is somebody who wants to come towards you but is holding back. Queen of Swords, Princess of Swords, like they want to come, but then there is something that's holding them back. Could be fear. This person is trapped in a situation. You see, Eight of Swords, this person has to free themselves from that situation in order to come towards you, Leos. But this person feels that being with you is very difficult. Two of Wands and Ten of Cups has come in reverse, which means this person feels that it's very difficult to have you in their life. Okay, they may be thinking on ways how to have you in their life, but I see them in a place where they are still thinking. They are not giving up on you, but they are not even willing to take any action. See, we have the Princess of Swords in reverse, we have the Queen of Swords in reverse, Eight of Swords in reverse. They are not willing to take any action towards you. All right, they have love for you, Leos, but not, this is somebody who doesn't want to take any action towards you right now. Maybe they are contemplating and thinking on how to do, what to do. Two of Wands, they are watching you from far. See, you see this man over here, this person is watching you. You may feel that they are not there, but they are watching you. They are keeping close tabs on you. Okay, this is somebody who is keeping a close tab on what you do, where you go, etc, etc. Okay, this is somebody with the Ten of Cups in reverse. They feel that maybe, at times this person feels maybe you are not a good match for them. Now this is their feelings, but as far as love is concerned, yes, they have love for you. Ace of Cups, they definitely have love for you. given a chance, this person wants to begin fresh for you, with you, okay? They have love for you, Leos. They feel like starting things all over again with you, okay? But I feel that this person has been stuck somewhere, okay? They are stuck in their own fears. There are people around this person who do misguide them, okay? Which is why this person is also stuck. Like they are stuck, maybe they are listening to many people around them. They are stuck somewhere. I think this person has to break free from a situation to be with you, Leos, okay? And I don't see them ready right now. This person has a desire to be with you, but then they are not ready. All right. I also feel that this is somebody who cannot talk, like they can't express how they feel for you. This is somebody who cannot talk, like there are two types of people, Leos. There is one who will talk how they feel. If they are angry, they are just angry, and if they love, they will love you with all that they have. I feel that this is somebody who has love for you but is keeping things in their heart, okay? It's like they want to tell you how they feel for you, but this is somebody who would rather choose to stay quiet, okay? I see that energy here. So we'll see the next action towards you. The next action, Leos, towards you. Devil, okay? Devil, the Seven of Wands, and the World. See, Leos, this is somebody who is not happy. See, this is somebody who is attached to you on a soul level. This is somebody who's very possessive about you, very possessive, okay? I see an energy where they are stuck to you. It's like a divine cord which is keeping you both stuck to each other. Seven of Wands, I think one of you has to take a decision of taking steps towards each other, okay? See, there is a chance of this relationship getting better, provided one of you take the initiative to crack a conversation. Seven of Wands, one of you has blocked each other, like could be that you have blocked this person or this person has blocked you. See, you see there are seven wands here, and this is somebody who is fighting against these people. So this person is trapped in their own web. Maybe there are many people around this person who are trying to demotivate them from coming forward towards you. Could be their parents, could be their mother who is against you, because I do see Queen of Wands here, Queen of Cups, a woman influencing this person, okay? So that is, for some of you, could be that their mother is against you, or maybe this person is already married and they are trapped in a situation, okay? So this is somebody who is fighting their own inner devil. Like this person, at times they think positive about you, but the next moment they do think negative, okay? So lot of negative thoughts towards you. That is also what is holding this person from coming forward towards you, Leos, okay? With the World, I don't know, for some of you, I think that see, there are chances of this relationship reviving, provided one of you take the initiative. But with the Seven of Wands, I see things stuck. Some of you, I think you are starting a new chapter, okay? With the World, I feel that you have kind of given up the hope in this connection. Maybe you are starting a new chapter with the World. World is a complete new chapter. Some of you, you may be starting a new chapter. This is somebody else, because see, this is a divine connection, I don't deny it, but this is somebody who is not ready. Like they have to take action towards you, but I don't see them taking action. See, we have the Princess of Swords in reverse. I said somebody is this is somebody who loves you, who has love for you, but their own fear is holding them back. This person has some fear, okay? Things are hidden too. I had the Sun in reverse somewhere, right? Yeah, see, so there are things which are hidden in this connection, and maybe you are seeking clarity. That is also, maybe this person has some secrets and they are not willing to come forward and talk, which is why, Leo, some of you, maybe you have given up and you want to start a fresh new chapter with somebody else, because I see you in Queen of Wands energy. I see you healing, Leos. Okay, so definitely you have had a difficult phase recently. All right, so let's see the future of this connection. We'll see what's the future of this connection. Do we have a future in this connection? Do we have a future in this reading? See, Hangman and Judgment. See, what do I get is the Hangman and Judgment. This means this relationship is stuck and you both are praying. It's not just you, your person too. You both love each other, but you both are not willing to take action towards each other, which is why universe is going to step in and take a decision. It is like, as I said, for some of you, Ace of Cups, maybe there is a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Leos who has entered your life already. That is because universe has sent some other option in your life so that you can connect and move forward. This is, see, for most of you, there are chances of this relationship reviving. Okay, let me be honest. There are strong chances of this relationship reviving, provided one of you takes things forward. But with the Hangman, I don't see either of you taking action towards. See, you are ready, but this person is not. Okay, I see that energy. So things are stuck here. With the Judgment, you both are praying. It's not just you, they are also equally praying to God to have you back in their life. You also want them, but somehow you have given up the hope, Leos. Okay, with the King of Cups, I see that you're losing hope in this connection and you feel that this person, Three of Swords, is a very difficult energy. I feel that a person who has gone through this energy has gone through a lot. This is somebody who cries, this is somebody who has had sleepless nights, this is somebody who may have gone through depression. So I feel that you have gone through a lot. Maybe you did not tell people around you, but you have been through a lot, Leos. Okay, and I see you healing, like you're trying to gather yourself back and you are trying to come in this energy of Queen of Wands. Okay, that is what I see. But there is love, I won't deny it. Like you both have love for each other, but lot of insecurities, lot of doubts. This person is somebody who doubts. You see this person, see, they are doubting you, Leos. This person doubts. Maybe you are with somebody else, maybe you have fallen in love with somebody else. This person has a lot of trust issues. That is also something that has spoiled this connection, Leos. Okay, so that is this. But this is like a divine call. I see that this is a divine call. For most of you, you will come back together. But for some of you, maybe it's very difficult because see, you both are not taking action towards each other. But love is there. It is like a divine connection which is not going anywhere. Like I feel that universe had planted you both in each other's life for a reason, but things are not moving forward, Leos. Okay, with the Hangman and Judgment, things are just not moving forward. Let's see if we have any advice for you. We'll see any advice for my Leos. Okay, I think this wants to. Four of Wands, this is reconciliation. So most of you, I think you both are going to come back together. Twin flame, I told you, you both are in a twin flame journey. So reconciliation is there for sure. For most of you, you both will come back together. I told you, see, with the Judgment, it's like universe is going to step in to do some things for you. Okay, you both will come back together. Four of Wands. All right, you're wishing for this and this is going to happen. You both will come back together. This is reconciliation. Four of Wands, you are in a twin flame journey. Maybe you have spent some lives with this person. You have a soul connection with this person. I told you, with the Devil, this person is very possessive about you, Leos. They are attached to you. Okay, it's like they don't want to think about you, but then they still end up thinking about you. They want to go away from you, but then there is something that's bringing this person back. That's because this person doesn't know, but their soul knows that they have spent many lives with you, which is why they want to cut the cord between both of you, but then they can't. Okay, that's just something that I see here. So, Five of Swords. Let's clarify, why do we have the Five of Swords? We'll see why do we have this energy, Five of Swords energy. We'll see why do we have the Five of Swords energy here, Leos. Three of Wands. Okay. Bottom of, oh my god, look at this, I got this again. The only problem is you both are crying for each other, but you both are not willing to take action. See, Hangman again. See, this is no joke. I have the same card twice in the same reading. This relationship is stuck. And you know what the advice is? You know what's happening, Leos? You both are giving up on this connection too soon. You know, when there is love, you should not give up on a connection. But I see you both giving up. See, Five of Swords. Lot of misunderstandings. You are thinking negative about them. They are thinking negative about you. Three of Wands, Four of Wands, Five of Wands. You both are ignoring each other. It's like you both are showing away each other. That should not be the thing. If you both are willing to work, then this is a divine connection. Why you want to spoil a beautiful relationship? I always feel that, you know, very lucky are those people who get true love in life, and I feel that you have that, but you both are spoiling this connection because of ego, misunderstandings, whatever it is. Okay, so the message, the advice is work on this connection. Don't give up, because if you give up today, you will regret in the future. You won't know it now, Leos. You will know it after 3 years, after 5 years, when you will feel the loss of this person. So you both, it's not just them, you both are asked to work. See, you both are showing each other away. You see this person is like, they are trying, you are trying to ignore them, they are trying to ignore you. Okay, lot of misunderstandings. Five of Swords, lot of misunderstanding. This is ego games also, like you don't want to go and they don't want to come. That's the energy here. Okay, so the advice is work on this connection. Now let's see, Leos, we'll see what does your person think about you. How do they really feel for you? Love messages. Okay, so these are love messages from your person. So let's see, what does this person think? Okay, see, I've got this card. This just flew. You respect my decision. This person feels that whatever they say, you respect them a lot. So this person feels that you respect them a lot. Okay, the second is, I feel there are a lot of misunderstandings between us. Oh shits, didn't I say with the Five of Swords, there are a lot of misunderstandings between both of you. I just said it. Okay, there are a lot of, you both are thinking negative about each other. It is like you both should sit and talk, but you both are avoiding these things, because of which you are spoiling. You know what, guys, I always feel that listen to your heart. Okay, I always tell in all my readings, God guides you through your heart. Sometimes you land up giving up a connection which is for your best, which you won't know it now, but which God knows. But you try to ignore and you give up on a connection, and few years later you will regret your decision. So I don't know, this reading is screaming to me. I'm getting a very strong message. I don't know for who is this reading. This is for somebody out there. This is a specific reading and I'm getting it from my heart, Leos. I don't know for who is this reading. Don't give up on this connection. Work on this connection, because you both love each other too much. See, I feel your person feels that there are a lot of misunderstandings between you and them. Okay, that is one thing that I see here. So don't give up on this connection. Okay, one more message I have is, shall I invest in this or not? I have been struggling with this thought a lot. Didn't I tell you, your person has love for you, but this person is somebody who is trapped in their own web. They don't trust you. Number one, this person feels that you are seeing somebody else. Okay, that is number one. Number two is, this person feels, should I even invest in this connection? Okay, they are struggling with this thought. Now these are their feeling. Okay, so let's see one more message for you, Leos. Okay, I think this wants to come. Seeing you triggers past pain in me. This person has so much love for you, Leos, that whenever they see you, they get that pain in their heart. Okay, this person is in pain. This person is going through a lot of pain. I told you, you both are crying for each other, but you both are not showing this to each other. So this, whenever they see you, their heart pains. That's because God is guiding them that you are the one for them, but then this person is trying to ignore their intuition, and they are trying to choose their ego first over their heart, and which is what you are also doing the same. But some of you, I feel that you have made up a decision to work on this connection, Leos. With the Four of Pentacles in reverse, you are ready to talk, but still there is something that's holding you back. Okay, so this person, whenever they see you or whenever they talk to you, whatever it is, they go through a lot of pain. That's because their heart is giving them a signal that they are making a wrong decision, but this person is choosing to ignore that voice that comes from their heart. Maybe this person doesn't know what intuition is, or they don't know how to connect to their heart, whatever it is, but they're going through this pain. That's because they are rejecting a God's decision. This person is going through that pain, Leos. Okay, yeah. See, I've got one more message. I want to protect you in every way. I told you that this person cares for you a lot. This person wants to protect you in every way. Okay, that's the message. They want to protect you. They are very possessive about you. They can't see you with anybody else. I need space. For some of you, this person needs some time. Maybe they are contemplating on what to do, how to do. This person needs some space. All right. So as I said, they are confused about some things in life. As I said, for some of you, I feel that with the Sun in reverse, this person could be involved somewhere else. Okay, they may be in some other relationship, and they are confused, so they don't know what to do. This person needs some space, Leos. Okay, so please wait for me. This person wants to tell you they fear losing you, Leos. This person feels maybe you will choose somebody else over them, and they don't want to lose you either. See, this is somebody who doesn't want to take action towards you, but then this is somebody who doesn't want to lose you either. Okay, but they don't know. With the world, I feel that some of you may start a new chapter, because, so I don't know, it's like either they take initiative now or they are going to lose you. Please wait for me. They want you to wait for this person, Leos. Okay, this person wants you to wait. They don't want to lose you. This person has love for you, Leos, lot of love. All right, this is a beautiful connection. I mean, the only message that I'm hearing again and again is don't give up, don't give up. So if you can work on this connection, please do that. Okay, yeah. So that was that, Leos. I really hope this helps and resonates, and if this does, I would request you to please like, share, subscribe, and do comment below how did this resonate. Okay, so thank you so much, guys. You take care, be safe, bye.